My mama is doing something. Hold on. We do a little prank. Don't mind this right here. I'm gonna do another video to get my head on. I'm gonna do a video of me coming back from getting my head. Hello guys, I'll be back. Baker just had to take Okay. I'm done. So let's get paint these little bellies. Y'all gotta tilt up. I gotta keep the camera down so you won't see. I'm just going to my room. No, I'm just going to the bathroom. Oh. So we finna be doing like a 2 prank. I'm gonna get the thanks. Look. We have my spray bottle. We have the stuff in there. Mama said she don't use it, or I don't use it. So I'm gonna pour a little bit. Oh, and there we go. Just clean it up. Oh, we don't want them breaking that. And I pretend like I got allergies. And pretend like I got allergies. But I got allergies. Like, I gotta make it like an allergy face. Because they know when I have an allergy. I was like, yeah, I gotta twist the top on. And y'all, this is hot over there. See? Y'all can't see it. Y'all can see it now. I hate the camera. Oh yeah, y'all see? Alright, this is my camera. Alright. Now, got the face. Gotta spray my actual eye. I can't put it on my eyebrow because it's gonna look like I sprayed myself. Like this. Oh, Lord. Okay. Let's get started. I gotta talk with them in the room because it's upstairs. Let's go.